You may have already dealt with the problem of wanting to raise the ringtone, as it was too quiet, or you just wanted to change it a bit. It's one of the most basic things, and it's very simple. The first thing you can do is to use the buttons on the side of the iPhone, where you add sound with the top one and take it away with the bottom one. Simply click on them to see if the volume changes or not. This is the first thing, and if by chance it doesn't work for you, you can open up the settings. You click on the sound and haptics, and here it is. We click on it, and you can now easily adjust the sound this way, whether you want to add volume or take it away. You can of course change the sound of the other things like ringtone or reminder. And that is, if you find the video helpful, give me a like and subscribe.